everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nikisha and I'm a registered dental hygienist. I create and upload videos every Wednesday to help you improve your oral health. So if you're interested in that, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you can be notified every Wednesday whenever I post new videos. So it's the beginning of January 2019, and as I talked about in my other resolutions video, I'm sure there are people making New Year's resolutions to improve themselves, but I'm sure there are also people out there not only making resolutions to improve themselves, but also to improve the world around them. This is why today I want to talk about a new trend that is out there. I'm sure you see it surfaced all over Instagram and other social media platforms of bamboo toothbrushes. But before we get into that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today's something to smile about comes from Jeremiah 17:7, and it reads, "Blessed is the man who trusts in the Lord, whose trust is the Lord." Now that's something to smile about. So before I get into talking about bamboo toothbrushes today, I wanted to unbox a bamboo toothbrush that I purchased. This is the Humble Brush. I actually purchased this from TJ Maxx, believe it or not. I've actually seen these all over Instagram. I was looking in the cosmetic and health section, I guess, in TJ Maxx the other day, and I was actually going to order some of these off of Amazon or from one of the companies that I saw on Instagram. But I actually saw this particular one, and it's really cute. It has a bamboo handle, and it has pink bristles for this specific one. They also had some that had white bristles. This particular toothbrush is called the Humble Brush, like I said. Has all kinds of information on the packaging. It says, designed and sweetened, developed by dentists kind to our planet, humble to others. Never believe that a few caring people can't change the world, for indeed that's all who ever have. Hashtag go humble. It also explains a little bit about the company. It says the Humble Company makes products that are good for you and kind to our planet. Every Humble purchase goes towards funding projects for the benefit of children in need. Donations are administered by Humble Smile Foundation, a nonprofit organization registered in Sweden. So this company is based out of Sweden, and they actually have a nonprofit organization that they donate to fund projects for children. So that's pretty neat. It says dentist approved bamboo toothbrush with quality nylon bristles. It also goes on to explain why bamboo toothbrushes are actually a good thing. So basically the reason I was even drawn to doing a video or a profile on bamboo toothbrushes is because it's supposed to be good for the environment. So like I talked about, some people have resolutions to improve themselves, but other people, you know, they also may have resolutions to improve the world around us, and having a bamboo toothbrush is supposed to be better for the environment than the plastic manual toothbrushes. So this says, did you know that 3.6 billion plastic toothbrushes are produced every year? Shockingly, the majority of these will end up in oceans and landfills. It says, thanks to you, this won't be one of them. And it also says, unlike regular plastic toothbrushes, Humble Brush has a handle made of 100% biodegradable, sustainably grown bamboo, the fastest grown plant on earth. Bamboo is also naturally antibacterial, which means that there is no need for fertilizers and pesticides during its cultivation. Now it also goes on to say that this is 100% recyclable. The box is made of recyclable materials. It's safe and certified. It's vegan, so that's great. Cruelty-free and verified BPA free as well. And it goes and talks about more about the foundation that it donates to. If you're interested in that, go to www.humblebrush.com. So, alright, enough of reading the package. I'm going to actually get into the unboxing of this toothbrush. And if any of you are interested, I'm not sure what your local TJ Maxx carries, but I actually got this from TJ Maxx and it was only $3.99. It'll be around like your health and beauty items. I was actually going to order one off of Amazon or one of the other companies that I saw on Instagram, but I actually found it in TJ Maxx the other day, so I thought that was really neat. So enough of that, I'm going to get right on into the unboxing. a bamboo toothbrush looks like, I wanted to explain a little bit more about what bamboo is. So the definition for bamboo is any of the woody and tree-like tropical and semi-tropical grasses, usually hollow stem and stalk blades and flowering only after years of growth. The stem of such a plant used as a building material and for making furniture, poles, etc. So I'm going to place a picture of a bamboo plant here. So I know that reading the package of the humble toothbrush that I just unboxed kind of explained a little bit why this would be a great option for some people who are wanting to do great things for the environment and actually do their part in wanting to reduce waste and using things that are biodegradable. I want to share with you some of the things that I actually found while researching this topic. So in one of the articles I came up on, it is actually on the website Upper Lux. And I will place this actual article in the description down below, the link to it. So it says the major material used for plastic toothbrushes, which is petroleum, requires lots of energy for its processing and is essentially non-biodegradable since their degradation takes a lot of time, about 1,000 years, a millennium, all the while releasing harmful toxins to the environment. It also says the handles are made entirely from bamboo and in most cases which can be left in landfills with the safe knowledge that they are entirely degradable. Also, the bristles are made from nylon 4, which degrades in less time and can be easily recycled after its use. It also goes on to confirm that bamboo toothbrushes are naturally antibacterial, just like on the package of the humble toothbrush. It also says that bamboo plants take very little time to grow per day. It's the fastest growing plant, as talked about on the label of that toothbrush as well, so that is confirmed. It also confirms about the pesticides and the fertilizers. It says with its antimicrobial composition, the bamboo plants do not have the need for fertilizers or pesticides for its growth. So that's it for that particular article. I'm aware that that particular article could have been a bit biased towards in favor of using bamboo toothbrushes, so I wanted to check out another article that could have been basically biased to the other part of the spectrum of using conventional plastic toothbrushes or electric toothbrushes. So I visited the Colgate website. So I wanted to check out the Colgate website to see if they had some of the information that was in common that could kind of confirm what they were talking about on the other side of the spectrum, okay? So as far as this article, it says the key difference between bamboo toothbrushes and plastic toothbrushes is the material used to make the handle. Although bamboo toothbrushes may seem like a new eco-friendly item, they are actually one of the oldest types of toothbrushes. The earliest bristle toothbrushes were invented in China in the 15th century and featured boar hair, bristles, and bamboo handles. So that's actually from China in the 15th century that actually had bamboo handles, and it actually had boar hair bristles, which is similar to some of the brushes that we use in our hair. And I don't know if you're familiar with that, but those can be a little bit abrasive. So I think it talks more about that at the later on in this article. It goes on to say, while you're more likely to find nylon bristles on modern bamboo toothbrushes, some still have bristles made from boar hair. Others have bristles infused with activated charcoal, which may help whiten the teeth. Keep in mind that boar hair bristles tend to be rougher than nylon ones, and hard bristles can cause wear on your enamel and contribute to receding gums. So it can cause gingival recession and toothbrush abrasion a lot faster than a nylon bristled toothbrush. So this article also gets into the eco-friendly factor of this bamboo toothbrush. It says, bamboo plants grow quickly, need little care, and may thrive without fertilizer or pesticides. So that confirms what it talked about in the other article, and also on the toothbrush packaging on the outside. It also says that bamboo does have a considerably smaller ecological footprint compared to plastic. It says that bamboo is biodegradable. You can compost the handles of the bamboo toothbrush if you first remove the nylon bristle. It also says that if bamboo toothbrushes end up in the trash, they are more significantly environmentally friendly than their plastic cousins. It's recommended if you're using a bamboo toothbrush that you cut off the bristles if they're made of nylon and not the boar hair. But if they're made of nylon, cut the bristles off and you can dispose of it. But they said also if you do leave the nylon bristles on there and you throw it away just like normal, then it's more environmentally friendly than if you use a plastic toothbrush. So basically everything that was talked about in this article confirms everything that was on the article that I talked about before, and then also on the Humble brand toothbrush packaging. And so this leads me to believe that from listening to one source that was on favoring bamboo toothbrushes, and then listening to another source that we know favors plastic toothbrushes such as Colgate, because that's what they sell. They don't sell any bamboo toothbrushes. And looking at the actual casing for the Humble toothbrush, if all of these come down to the same consensus, it leads me to believe that this is accurate information for bamboo toothbrushes in general, that it's a great choice for those that are trying to be more environmentally friendly. So if your resolution is to be more environmentally friendly and to help to contribute more positively to the world around us, then it may be a good idea for you to try using a bamboo toothbrush. This will help to decrease your footprint. And hey, if you choose one of the companies like the Humble brush, you'll also be contributing to a nonprofit foundation to help out kids. And so you're doing well all around. Now, if you are one that uses an electric toothbrush on a normal basis, I would probably continue to use an electric toothbrush just for your health, to make sure that you're able to keep everything nice and clean. But this is not a bad alternative for traveling. It's also not a bad alternative, you know, just if you want to switch out and things like that. Now, if you're one that uses a manual toothbrush on a normal basis, then this is a great option, I would say. So, like I said, it's personal preference, whatever you choose to do. But I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Now, all of the articles, the 2 articles that I talked about in this video, I will leave the links to those in the description box down below as well. And I'll also leave a link to where you can find this Humble toothbrush online. Like I said, I got mine from TJ Maxx, but I know that they sell them online as well. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, everyone take care and remember to let your smile shine. Bye.